Good morning, Friday, January 28th, and we'd like to welcome you to another episode of Richie's Walk and Talk Recovery Nature Series, where we truly believe that getting out and just enjoying nature will greatly enhance your walk to recovery. We hope you've all had a great week, spent some time in nature, spent some time meditating, and all the self-care that we need to do that helps make our lives worth living. Not much new going on. Just hope that you're all prepared for the snowstorm. Everybody's going to be safe. Might be stuck indoors for a little while, which may be another reason to reach out to someone. Isolation is not a good thing for us. Well, at any rate, we all wish you a blessed week. Again, if you need to talk to me, you can reach me on YouTube at Richie's Road to Recovery, my Facebook page, Richie's Road to Recovery, or you can always text or call, and I will return your call as soon as possible at 339-832-5387. Hope to see some of you out here next week. Hope to hear from all of you, what you're doing, how you're doing, and may God bless your week.